Terry Johnson, one of the co-creators of the Fuddlebrook series. Today we're going to do an activity from the book, A Family Visit. Freddie learns that children don't always look like their parents, and he learns how animals can use adaptation to protect themselves. How do animals protect themselves?
They use camouflage.
We have 15 purple jelly beans and 15 green jelly beans hidden in this Easter grass. What we would like you to do today, Chloe, is I'm going to set the timer and we want you to find as many of the jelly beans as you can and just drop them in the cup. Ready?
Ready.
Go. Stop. Green blends in more, and in most cases, that's the way it works out in this activity. Check out more of our curriculum at fuddlebrook.com or our YouTube channel.
Miss Terry, can we do that again?
Sure, Chloe, let's try.